Welcome, friend. Today, we're going to take just 10 minutes together to soften the heavy weight of grief. Grief can feel like a raging storm inside our heart and our stomach. Unpredictable, overwhelming, and endless. It takes your breath away, clouds your mind, and makes even the simplest moments feel unbearable. But here's the truth. You are not alone in this. Grief is a shared human experience. And with guided meditation for grief, we can find small pockets of peace, even in the middle of the pain. Find a comfortable position, seated or lying down. Gently close your eyes. Place your feet on the ground or your hands gently over your heart. Take a slow, deep breath in through the nose and let it go gently through the mouth. With every inhale, imagine you're breathing in light. With every exhale, imagine you're releasing a little bit of the weight you've been carrying. Let's breathe together. Inhale, calm. Exhale, grief. Inhale, peace. Exhale, heaviness. Notice your body. Notice where the grief feels heavy. Maybe in your chest, your throat, or even your stomach. With each breath, imagine sending warm, gentle light into that space. You don't have to force the grief away. Just let the light sit beside it, softening the edges. Now picture yourself in a place of comfort. It could be a quiet beach, a forest with tall trees, or a mountain where the air feels clear and open. In this place, you are safe. You are supported. Imagine the grief as leaves on a stream floating by. You can watch them, acknowledge them, and let them drift downstream without needing to hold them. Now, let's begin a simple body scan. Bring your awareness to the very top of your head, the crown. Imagine a soft, warm light resting there. With each inhale, feel this light expand. With each exhale, feel any tension begin to release. Slowly guide your attention downward, across your forehead, around your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw. Notice if you're holding on to tightness here. Breathe in, feel energy flowing to that space. Breathe out and consciously let it dissolve. Continue scanning downward into your neck and shoulders. These areas often carry stress. Allow them to soften. Imagine the energy melting like warm sunlight on your skin. Now, bring your awareness to your arms. Feel the weight of your arms resting naturally. Notice a gentle energy dancing through your fingertips. A tingling flow that reminds you you're alive, you're present. Shift your focus into your chest. Feel the steady rhythm of your breath rising and falling. With each inhale, imagine fresh life filling your chest. With each exhale, imagine any heaviness being released. Now, gently notice your stomach. Maybe you sense small butterflies, a gentle flutter of energy. Allow this feeling to be there. Acknowledge it without judgment. With your breath, let the energy soften and move freely. Guide your awareness down through your hips, your legs, your knees, and finally to your feet. Feel the solid connection of your body to the earth. Imagine roots grounding you, steady and strong. Take one last, deep, nourishing breath in, and exhale fully. Your whole body is now relaxed, awake, and present. You've scanned from head to toe, dissolving tension and bringing light to each part of yourself. This is mindfulness, being here, in this moment, aware of your body and your breath. As you breathe, silently repeat these words after me. I allow myself to feel grief without judgment. I am safe in this moment. I can carry both love and loss. Healing doesn't mean forgetting. I give myself permission to rest. Take a deep breath in and gently exhale. Now repeat these words silently or out loud if you wish. I deserve peace. I deserve love just as I am. I deserve to feel confident. I deserve to be here in this moment. Each affirmation is a reminder of your worth, your value, your right to simply exist and thrive. Keep breathing with me. Inhale deeply. Exhale fully. I deserve kindness from myself and from others. I deserve to let go of the past. I deserve to step into my future with strength and clarity. Feel the truth of these words. Let them settle in your heart, in your mind, in your body. One last deep, nourishing breath in. And as you exhale, repeat, I deserve this. Carry that truth with you. Take one last deep inhale and exhale, letting the shoulders drop, your jaw relax, your body soften. Notice how you feel right now. Maybe just a little lighter, a little calmer. Grief may not disappear, but peace can exist alongside it. And each time you return to this grief meditation, you give yourself the gift of healing, one breath at a time. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this calm with you into the rest of your day, knowing you are never alone in your journey. If this meditation brought you even a moment of peace, please share your experience in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more guided meditations for grief, healing, and peace.